Well, hey, so I've got me two new bird feeders. You know how I've talked to you about how the ones that I have just hold too much seed, and the seed was getting clumped up from rain and humidity, and lots of times bird seed will have little insect eggs in it, and sometimes those eggs were hatching, and oh my goodness, it was not good for me or for the birds. Plus, those bird seeders where the seed comes out at the bottom, they had very narrow holes, and those holes would get clogged up, so the seed would stop coming out. And anyway, so I got two new ones, and I want to show you some stuff about them that I think I'm going to like. So first of all, I've got this bird feeder, and let me show you. It has a nice big hole in the bottom. My finger can even fit in there. So that is not going to get clogged up. And the top, see, the top does like that. So it kind of has a little, bit of a screw top there, okay? Now, the other bird feeder, this one has a lovely shield on top to keep the seed that comes out dry. See, again, this is a very large hole down here. And this is divided in half. So, you could put smaller seed in here, larger seed here, whatever you want to do. This unscrews. It's always nice to have a large opening to put your seed in so that it doesn't fall all over the patio or the ground. And this has that. Okay. So I'm going to take these outside and show you why I wanted some of these features on these bird feeders. Okay, so here I am out on the patio. So let me show you one of the first reasons. Okay, if you can see the little holes on this one at the bottom, they're not very wide or tall. They get clogged up easily. And also this holds so much bird seed that the problems that I mentioned before start to happen. It gets clumped up inside, not just from rain, from humidity, just from being packed together. So yeah, I don't have to add seed that often, but the seed that's in there ends up going bad. That's not good for the birds. Okay, I've got some seed that I like to use. This is sunflower chips, so there's no shells on these. Okay, so first off, we'll fill this one. Okay. And I'm not going to fill it up because I don't want the seed sitting in here and going bad. Okay. Alrighty, so look at how that seed comes out, and it's protected where it comes out here, and then the overflow goes into this tray. Now, I'm not going to hang it here because that's too low and a squirrel can jump up there and get it. But over here, this will be perfect for the birds to come to. Okay, and now we've got this one. Let's see if this one will work. So I ended up moving around some of those bird feeders so that when I'm sitting in my easy chair in my living room, I'll be able to see them really clearly. And I've always got my binoculars right to hand in case I want to see them even more close up or see any of them in the woods. And that, by the way, that's my contraption for doing my bird videos outside. It's basically a stepladder with a gooseneck clamp that holds the phone, and I've got an extension cord and a phone charger in case I want to do it longer than my phone can hold a charge, so I can plug it in outside.